Hey, Tyler here with Quality Water Treatment, and today I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about the Fleck 5600 SXT Water Softener System to see if it's the right solution for your needs. We'll be covering the 5600 that is specifically designed for homes that use residential, local water utility companies. The Fleck 5600 is manufactured by Pentair, a company that has been providing water treatment solutions for over 70 years.
85% of all water in the US is considered hard water. Hard water increases your household expenses, including increased energy costs to heat your water and more consumption of laundry detergent and cleaning supplies throughout the year. Unfortunately, it also shortens the lifespan of your clothing, linens, appliances, and plumbing fixtures. One of the biggest benefits of this system is that it eliminates the household expenses caused by hard water in your home. What's great is that this system pays for itself within 2.5 to 3 years. On top of that, a study from Ohio State University shows that soft water will save you almost 2 hours a week in cleaning your home.
A quality water softener uses salt to remove the excessive calcium and other hard minerals to create spa-like soft water throughout your home. Although the Fleck 5600 isn't a high-efficiency system, it is the low-cost leader and has been popular by many homeowners over the years. It uses a less efficient downflow technology. What does that mean to you? It means that it requires more salt usage and wastes more water when compared to high-efficiency system. The 5600 comes with basic features you would expect from a reliable water softener system, including an LCD screen with programming features to meet your needs. Typically, the 5600 is sold with 8% resin. Here at Quality Water Treatment, we provide you with an upgraded premium 10% resin. And here's why. These days, local water companies use aggressive chlorine agents to sanitize your water. Unlike the low-performing 8% resin, premium 10% resin resists the harmful impact of chlorine to increase the longevity and performance of this water softener system. To further increase the economic efficiency, we recommend upgrading to the SXT High Performance Resin. With the SXT High Performance Resin, you'll save up to 40% on salt usage and on water waste. This upgrade will pay for itself within a couple of months. The Fleck 5600's downflow technology is designed with 3/4-inch plumbing ports, and if high water flow rates are important to you, you can check out our comparison chart for systems that have 1-inch or larger plumbing ports. So basically, if you plan on having everyone in your home take a shower at the same time, you may want to go with another system with larger plumbing ports to handle higher water flow rates. While the Fleck 5600 SXT may not be the newest or most efficient technology, it is a popular system manufactured by a trusted brand, and it comes with a control valve warranty of 5 years and a 10-year warranty on the tank. So the 5600 packs in a lot of value for the price. Now, if you're still unsure if it's the right fit for your home, check out our new Water Intelligence Engine. This is the industry's only advanced artificial intelligence technology that will correctly size your softener and identify the harmful contaminants present in your water. Once you've gotten the correct size for your home's requirement, be sure to review the add-on water filter options designed for this system. Almost all water utility companies today, unfortunately, exceed multiple legal limits and health guidelines for contaminants in your water. So we highly recommend that you consider using one or more water filter options to remove harmful contaminants so you and your family can enjoy both soft and clean quality water. We hope this review has helped you narrow down which water softener is the best fit for your needs. If you need even more details, be sure to check out our full in-depth review in the description below. If you have any questions, our team of water treatment consultants are here to help you. Feel free to connect with us by chat, email, or just give us a call. Our goal is to help you and your family live healthier and happier lives by providing accurate information on quality water treatment solutions. Wishing you and everyone an amazing day.